Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 3 real ways that are going to make your law school life easier. There's going to be the easy way that's right through, and there's going to be the hard way, which is going to have a lot of mistakes and a lot of inefficiencies. And this video, I'm going to be going over 3 real ways that are going to make it so much easier. Pro tips right here. Listen up. First one, prioritize. You're going to have to ask yourself what matters. What's going to be important to you? Is it going to be scoring the best in your class? Is it going to be balancing your life that matters now? Ask yourself what classes are going to matter the most. Which one is the most important to you? Which class is the most amount of credits? Which class do you naturally find the most interesting? Addressing all 3 of those questions is going to answer which class you should be spending the most amount of time on. And lastly, what studying methods work and what doesn't work. If you're reading and you're just staring at the page, chances are that's a bad waste of your time, and you don't want to work inefficiency. That's going to be really bad. So ask yourself what works is taking notes, highlighting, what's going to be outlining early, what's going to be a study method that works well for you, and make sure you stick to it. Next, a pro tip is Quimby. I did not use Quimby when I was in my first year of law school. A lot of people that I studied with did use it, and it was a lifesaver for most people. And there are 3 reasons which I found, and I asked people of why Quimby was so good. And the first is they give you case briefs that are really easy to understand, and they have videos which explain all of the key ideas in the videos. So you're going to make sure, and they have every single case that's going to come up pretty much on Quimby, which is super helpful. Next is they have a lot of really good multiple choice questions and essay questions, which are going to help you prepare well for your final test. And lastly, they have outlines. A lot of people love Quimby. I think it's really worth taking a look. It's expensive, but if you view it as an expense that's going to help you succeed more, I would definitely take a look. Some professors, it might be taboo to use Quimby, but I think you have to use every resource that is available to you and helps you. And the third and last tip is you have to study efficiently. Efficiency is going to be the key word in your law school career. You don't need to have a study group, but if the study group is helping you learn the material better, I would say study with a study group. If only certain materials are working well in the study group, study those materials and don't study the other ones. When you're studying, you should not be using any music or anything that's going to distract you. When you study, you want to zone in completely and make your studying really good. And lastly, you're going to want to have set times that you're going to be studying. If you study random hours, it's not going to be so effective. You want to have a certain schedule and you want to stick to that schedule. I hope you guys have a great day.